Hi friends, welcome back to the Self-Sufficient Sister. I am here with an unboxing video. I'm super excited to share the subscription box that I've just resubscribed to. I was subscribed to it a while ago, but then I stopped because I wasn't as consistent with using all the stuff in it. So I was like, all right, we gotta stop and use what I have, and then we can start up the subscription again. So anyway, it's been a long time since I posted. It's been a crazy few months. Some really great things happened, some not great things happened, and yeah, so I'm excited to make this video, and I have a goal to be more consistent about posting things. I've got some recipes that I'd like to try. And I've learned how to make soap, so I'd love to make a video about that process because it was really fun and not as hard and not as scary as I originally thought. So some of the things I have to show you today will help me with that soap making process. So I did make soap back in April, and the recipe I used called for a certain type of essential oil to use as the scent, and I did not have that oil. So I kind of mixed and matched with what I already had, and the recipe I used, well, it calls for a lot of essential oils, so I kind of had like 4 different types of oils, which I do enjoy the smell of it and I like how it turned out. But the recipe called for lavender essential oil, which I really would like to try because I do like that scent and I think it'd be a very calming thing to use in the bath. So part of what I've ordered today, this is not part of the subscription, but the company I use to order essential oils is called Simply Earth, and I really like this company a lot because I like what they stand for and I like that they are honest about the ingredients that they use. I also like that they have lots of resources to teach you the safe and appropriate way to use oils. Another thing I like is that they give 13% of their profits to companies that help end human trafficking. So I really enjoyed this company a lot, and I use them for all of my essential oil needs. So they did have a sale this summer where you could, I think it was buy 3 get 1 free. And since this soap recipe calls for so much essential oil, I got 4 lavender essential oil. So I would have enough to make the soap. And then I also, this was a random one, but it's called Happy Joy. It's a blend of grapefruit, orange, geranium, and ylang ylang, which I love those, so I'm excited to have this for my diffuser. Anyway, now on to the fun subscription box. So they have a subscription box. I want to say it's like $48 a month, but it's got value. Its value is way over, I think this one's like $150 worth of stuff. So each month they have a theme, and this is the July box, and the theme is Bath and Spa Hero, and it's a recipe box. So they give you 4 essential oils, and then they give you, I think, 6 recipe cards and some of the ingredients that you need for making the recipes. So it's pretty fun. When you open it up, it looks like this. This month they got Peace and Quiet, which is a blend of orange, cedarwood, lime, and frankincense. Yum. Another blend called Bug Fighter, and this one has patchouli, cedarwood, lemongrass. Then they have lime, which I'm really glad because I used my entire lime bottle when I made my soap a few months ago, so I'm happy to have more of lime. And then the last one is coriander. It's a little bit smaller. But those are the 4 oils that they give. And then we have some citric acid for one of the recipes, and then Natrasorb bath powder. And then we have this, which is a bath bomb mold, because one of the recipes is bath bombs, which I'm excited about. I love taking baths and I love using bath bombs, so I'm excited to try to make my own. This is the little, I guess, brochure that kind of just goes more into some of the things in the box. So this one, they even have like a scanner so you can get more details on how to make some things, and this one has more recipes for bath bombs and like shower stuff, so pretty cool. They also, before I get to the recipes, they also give you a sheet of stickers to put labels on the oils that you're going to make, and then the different items you'll make. And yeah, so we've got 6 recipes. We've got one that's lime and coconut bliss mini bath bombs. That's one of the mini bath bomb recipes. So some of the recipes have double-sided instructions. This one's peace and quiet mini bath bombs. Another double-sided. I also really like the colors that they use. They always have really great colors, and it's fun to have a little stack of recipes now of stuff I can use to replace other products in my house to make my home using a little bit better products. This one is Balanced Breeze Diffuser Blend. So this is a blend of the oils that you can then use in a diffuser or in any other way you'd like. We have Crave Control Roll-On. So this one looks like it's a roll-on to put on your pulse points to help balance cravings. And on the back of this one has a sneak peek for the next month. So for August, they're gonna send bergamot, timber, citronella, and cassia oils. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be making candles. This says things you'll want at home, and it says wide mouth jar or bowl, cotton ball, wax warmer, 3 candle holders. So that's cool for next month. Serene Steam Shower Spray. On the back of this one, it just goes more into the different oils and the different extras that are in the box. I like that it tells you if you should dilute before using on skin, which it does say for all of these to dilute them. It tells you if it's kid safe. It tells you why you would use it. It tells you if it's pregnancy safe, cat safe, and dog safe. So that's pretty cool. And this one is a value of over $151. It does say that right there, which is pretty cool. And then the last recipe is Tranquil Shower Melts. And then on the back of this one is just a note from Katie, who is the, I believe she's the owner, and she's also a certified aromatherapist. And she makes, with her team, they make all of these recipes, obviously. But yeah, pretty cool. I do have a code that you can use to get a free, a gift card for $45. So if you subscribe to the subscription box, and you use my code, which is HOMEFREE, you'll be sent a gift card for $45 off your next purchase. So that's pretty cool. If you go on, order your box, and then go through their website and check out what they have and order $45 worth of stuff, and you'll get it for free. So that's a pretty cool thing that they have there. But yeah, if you have any questions about Simply Earth, check out their website or leave a comment below. I'm excited to try some of these recipes, and I'll be sure to post the videos about them as I am making them. So thanks for joining me today. I will see you guys next time.